Hi everybody, I'm Miss Sarah and welcome to Storytime here at the Houston Public Library. Today we're going to read Moo Ba La 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 by Sandra Boynton, and we'd like to thank Simon & Schuster for giving us permission to read this book today. Here we go. Moo ba la la la, moo ba la la la, moo ba la la la, by Sandra Boynton. A cow says moo, a sheep says ba, 3 singing pigs say la la la. No, no, you say, that isn't right. The pigs say oink, all day and night. Rhinoceroses snort and snuff, and little dogs go ruff, ruff, ruff. Oh, some other dogs go bow, wow, wow, and cats and kittens say meow. Quack says the duck, a horse says neigh. It's quiet now, what do you say? Everybody! Moo ba la la la, moo ba la la la, moo ba la la la, by Sandra Boynton. Thanks so much for joining us. We hope to see you soon. Bye!